Well, I haven't a good time to repair my aircraft. Repairing my aircraft, my GI Joe uh, Angel Warrior to repair. I found down of many bugs. This destroyed today is destroyed. I chined the body and the base. I chined. You can see it. The front is destroyed. The tail is destroyed and is not working. It's not working. The engine are not working. And then it's beautiful. It's flying, and when they open the wings, throw the missiles. But today is no working. Well, I'm repairing for tomorrow. I'm going to make my surgery and inside of my aircraft, and I'm cleaning part by part, by part. I clean by part. Well, I have this aircraft since 1990, where I bought this aircraft in Kmart in Houston. In Kmart in Houston. Yes, was in Kmart in Houston. I I bought it. This aircraft was new these years, and today is broken. I forget my aircraft, my GI Joe Angel Warrior aircraft in the box. Many box down, under the many box. Well, today I took out my aircraft to clean it and to repair. I need change many parts. I don't have to do today the refactions to repair my aircraft, but it's going to be beautiful. Today you are watching a broken aircraft, very broken. Yes, in few days I'm going to have it in few days. Beautiful, nice, working, and flying too. I'm going to change the engines. I'm going to have buy a many technology kit to make it fly, and more things. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. I paid for it in 1990 $50. But I remember $50. I left a long time. I left a long time under the box, but it's broken. Sorry. Only what can I do? Repair it. In repair it is a GI Joe. That is a GI Joe. The GI Joe Angel Warrior aircraft. And then I'm finding my aircraft carrier. I don't know where is it. I miss it. My aircraft carrier was wonderful, was great, was big. The name of my aircraft carrier was Ronald Reagan. What I remember, a Ronald Reagan aircraft carrier. Ronald Reagan, the biggest. It's a long. It's too long. My aircraft carrier, but I don't know. I miss it when change at home. Perhaps I miss it. But I think what I need find it more time. I don't remember what it is, but it's a longer, and very crazy. Has many things, and is too large, and is too high, and beautiful. I paid for this aircraft carrier $412 in Kmart in 1990, when was President George H.W. Bush, the great president today. Today he don't go. He's not with in a country, but he don't go. He don't live the United States of America. The story, the life he took is beautiful. And George W. Bush too was a wonderful president of the United States. 2001, 2008, 2 times of his administration, Donbass end, but one thing, he completed his mission. He completed his mission, and anybody can to say what he was around. He was a bad president. No, that is not true. George W. Bush, son, was the very best and the nice president what one country want to have. Congratulations to you, and my honor to you and your family, and welcome to the aircraft repair. Okay, I want to make this part of the aircraft, and I have a plastic or fiberglass, What I want to do, what I not want to do to repair this aircraft. It's a famous aircraft. This is a winner. This is a winner aircraft of the Desert Storm War 1. The Desert Storm War 1, you remember, 1991. This is beautiful work. It worked, but every time, this aircraft, GI Joe Ángel, a real American hero, is beautiful, making his work. He worked too much, a long time, and he is the winner. That is beautiful. This boy is great. This boy make America great, made it America first, and more. You like it? I love it. Thank you very much, and give me a like.